This video tutorial I will explain how to install JDK 23 on Windows 11 operating system. Step 1 is download JDK 23. For that, visit Oracle website using this particular link. Then search for JDK 23 Windows x64 installer, which usually ends with .exe. Download it. Select Windows, and here you can see x64 installer. Here you can see the exe file. Click on this link to download the exe file, which is the installer. It is downloading. It is successfully downloaded. Step 2 is install JDK 23. For that, you have to run the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, double click JDK 23 installer to run it. Then installation wizard will open. Click on next to begin. By default, JDK will be installed in C programming files Java JDK 23. If you want to change the location, you can change it. Otherwise, leave as it is and click on next. Then the installer will copy files and set up everything for you. Once complete, click on close to finish the installation. Double click the installer file. It is successfully installed. Step 3 is set up environment variables. For that, open environment variable settings. Then you have to add JDK path to system variables. So you have to add a path variable, and the path variable path you have to paste till bin folder of JDK 23. Right click, click on system, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Under system variables, here you can see the path. Select this, click on edit. Copy the path till the bin folder of JDK 23. Click on new. Next, we have to create Java underscore home variable under system variable section, and the variable value should be JDK folder path without bin folder. Under system variables, create Java underscore home. Copy the path till JDK 23. Step 4 is verify the installation. For that, open the command prompt and run java-version. Then you will see the output like this. Run this command, and here we got the output. From this we can confirm JDK 23 is successfully installed in Windows 11 operating system. To check the JDK compiler, run the command javac-version. Then you will see something like this. Run this command, and here we got the output. So the compiler is working fine. So the conclusion is you have successfully installed JDK 23 on Windows 11 operating system. Now you are ready to start developing Java applications. Make sure to configure your development environment like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or Visual Studio Code to use JDK 23. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.